Hello students, I am Gayatri Miss and today I am going to teach you GK of class UKG and the topic name is Insects. INSECTS Insects. Now I would like to explain you about insects. Insects are small animals with 6 legs and a hard outer shell. Most have wings and antennae. An insect is a very small animal with particular quality. Insects are the most successful creatures in this world. Insects have a compound eyes. Most insects only live for a few days or week. Insects have ear all over the place. So, my dear students, now one by one I would like to explain you about some insects. So the first is cockroach. COCKROACH cockroach. Now I would like to show you the picture of the cockroach. See my dear students. Cockroach is a common kind of insect that are found in many places around this world. A cockroach can live almost a month without food. A cockroach can live about 2 weeks without water. A cockroach can live for up to 1 week without its head. Cockroach color is black or brownish. And these insects are mostly active at night. Cockroaches are everywhere and like comfy warm temperatures and plenty of food and water just like people do. They creep around in dirty places and can spread nasty germs where they crawl, making you sick. Some people are even allergic to them. Cockroaches use their antennae like you see. You use your nose and mouth so they can taste and smell a meal. Now I would like to explain you about ant. A-N-T, ant. Now I would like to show you the picture. Yes, you can see my dear student. Which insect is this? This is ant. Ant is an intelligent insect. These are different kinds of ant and each type has its habitat. It has 6 tiny legs. You can see my dear students and 2 tentacles. White ants live in ant hills. Black and red ants are seen everywhere. They live in groups. Each group has a queen. They are very laborious insects. They save food for the future. They are very disciplined. They live and work together. They collect food for different places and save them for the future. We must learn a lesson from them that hard work is the path to success. Now I would like to explain you about next insect. This is housefly. House, house, Fly, fly, housefly. Now you can see my dear students. Yes, which insect is this? This is housefly. This insect is always found near humans. It is the most common insect. Houseflies live on a liquid diet. Houseflies are having a good sense of smell when they search for food. So it is important to store all food in airtight container to avoid attracting them. They are active during the day. Houseflies are attracted to garbage. Flies have compound eyes which made them sensitive to changing light patterns. Now I would like to explain you about next insect. This is mosquito. 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 Everyone is knowing about mosquito. Now I would like to show you about the picture of mosquito. See, my dear student. Mosquitoes are a small insect living in houses or near the houses. They are found all over the world. The body of the mosquito consists of 3 segments. Mosquitoes have thin and straight body, a pair of wings, 6 hairy legs. You can see, my dear students, 2 long antennae and their head and a long mouth. You can see in this picture, my dear students. See all the legs. This is the antenna. Yes, na? And here is the mouth. The head of a mosquito is round and have 2 eyes which contain smaller lenses. The antennae of mosquitoes help them to know the movement of hair. Generally, mosquitoes take fruit and plant juice. Many female mosquitoes suck the blood by the skin of humans. Some mosquitoes lay eggs after sucking the blood of humans. Now I would like to explain you about next insect. This is spider. S-P-I-D-E-R. Spider. Everyone is aware about this insect. You can see in your house. Yes, na? On the wall. Let's see. This is the picture of spider. Which insect is this? Spiders are the unique insects that have 8 legs and can spin webs in order to catch the insects or prey. Spiders are one of the few species which can live in every habitat except water bodies. Spiders can kill millions of prey every year and consume more insects than bird. Spiders have the symbolic meaning in many art and mythology, and they are considered as a symbol of patience and power. Spiders have 4 to 8 pairs of eyes, useful in navigation and hunting. Spiders are found all over the world. Most of the spiders make waves, but some spiders do not make waves. Most of the spiders are not poisonous, but some spiders are poisonous also. The spider's web is very strong. Now I would like to explain you about another insect. This is butterfly. 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 Now I would like to show you the picture of butterfly. You can see, my dear students, this is very beautiful. See, this is very beautiful butterfly. Butterfly is very small and beautiful creature. Butterfly is a small creature hovering over flowers. Butterflies occur everywhere except Antarctica. Butterflies has 4 wings. You can see in this picture, my dears. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. They have the amazing power to identify a place. Butterfly has 4 wings, 4 legs and 2 eyes. The butterflies detects the smell of anything with the help of its antenna. Butterflies suck their juice while sitting on flowers. The group of butterflies is called flutter. The butterfly lays its eggs on the leaves of the tree. Butterfly tastes everything with its feet. Butterflies are born from eggs. Now I would like to explain you about another insect. This is ladybird. L-A-D-Y, lady, B-I-R-D, bird. Now I would like to show you the ladybird picture. Yes, see my dear students. Ladybirds are a type of beetles. Some ladybirds have no spot and other have up to 20 spots. To help defend themselves, ladybirds play dead. They also can release a yellow fluid that other bugs find sticky. Ladybirds are both male and female. The ladybirds can live up to a year long. There are two sets of wings. The outer is the hard cells for the protection and the inner set are it used to fly. Ladybirds taste and smell with their antenna. A ladybird's leg its eggs on the leaf and they are yellow eggs that turns white. Now I would like to teach you another insect. This is bee, B-E-E, bee. So now I would like to show you the picture of the bee. See my dear students, this is bee. Honey bee are a small flying insect whose lifespan varies between 170 to 180 days. Honeybees usually live in groups and their queen has a lifespan of more than 2 years. The queen bee having leadership capabilities for the honeybees and take care of the laying of eggs and the collection of the honey as well as the building of the honeycomb. Honeybees are said to be one of the few living insects who never sleep or take rest and work day and night. Honeybees gather all type of food including nectar from flowers and serve their queen. Honeybees communicate with each other by body action and dancing. Now I would like grasshoppers, Grasshopper, grasshopper. Now I would like to show you the picture of grasshopper. See my dear student, this is the picture of grasshopper. Grasshopper has long hind legs that are good for jumping. Grasshoppers have antennas on their heads that they use to touch and smell. They also have special eyes that allow them to see in all directions at once. Grasshoppers usually hop or crawl, but mostly grasshoppers can fly. Grasshoppers have antennae that are generally shorter than their body. Grasshoppers prefer to eat grasses, leaves, and cereal crops. So, my dear students, you will also read from your books Insects. Thank you.